Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to make a intro for your YouTube videos, and you don't even have to do it from your computer. You can actually do it all on your phone with this app right here called Quick. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
All right, so this is the app. I'm going to stop that. And the app is super simple because all you need to do is upload a couple of videos and upload a couple of pictures. And they have pre-made edits in here and pre-made text that makes everything look super clean for you. So if you were looking to get some type of intro, this is definitely a spot for you because it's no watermarks, there's no price. It's super easy to upload. You can finish this in about 10 minutes or less. They have all of the pre-made graphics on here, so let's just check a couple out. They have pre-made templates, pre-made edits, pre-made color scheme, pre-made text, and you can customize each one. Every one is a little bit different, but I like them all, so you just find the one that works for you. So that just wanted to show you guys a couple of different options. As far as music, they have a whole catalog of music that you can choose from. So let's listen to a couple songs. Let's go through a couple tracks.
Every single day.
So they got a pretty cool library. I'm pretty sure you'll find something in there you'll like. This is the edit section. This is where you actually upload your text, your videos, and your pictures. So as you can see, I basically just uploaded a video and edit it. And you can go in here and you can trim it. You can add text. You can take off the volume, change the speed. So it got a couple of cool options on there. And then I also went ahead and just uploaded some cool pictures as well. And these are different sections of the video, different text. And I just basically put it all together with some text. This is a watermark right here. You can actually turn that off. A lot of companies don't allow you to take the watermarks off. So I like the fact that they actually let you take the watermark off. And I didn't even have to pay for that. But super simple, super easy. And I created a whole intro in about 15-20 minutes. So I like it a lot. So definitely, guys, check out Quick if you want to get a quick intro done. And you can also save it and share it to all social media outlets if you got some marketing that you want to do. So with that being said, you guys enjoy. Make sure you get the Quick app. Make sure you also like and subscribe. Share this video. Is somebody out there looking for something like this? And I definitely want to share the value. So go ahead and share the video and stay tuned for more updates with business, social media marketing, anything that's going to help advance and level you up in 2021.